welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. So excited to be here today because I'm going to show you one of my favorite drink recipes. It's apple and pear kompot. It's so yummy, so delicious, and it doesn't take very long to make, and it's so perfect for the summer. Refreshing, it's healthy. You can use even less sugar if you wanted to, but the flavor is so good. I love boiled pears. Honestly, they give so much flavor and they're so sweet as well naturally. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to check out all my other kompot recipes or all my other Russian recipes if you're interested. And make sure you click the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. We're going to start with chopping our apples and pears together. You want to deseed your apples and get rid of any bits that you don't want in your kompot, as I love to eat the fruit. If you're not eating the fruit, then you can chop it up as you want in large pieces and then just discard the fruit at the end. But I feel like that's too good to throw away. So chop up your apples. We're going to do the same thing with our pears. We want quite small slices, as imagine you will be sort of eating the fruit when you're drinking the kompot, so you can make them smaller even than I'm doing here, but I do find that this size is fine as it cooks down a lot. As some of you know, I have launched my online cooking school where you can learn how to make the most amazing cakes ever. I've got level 1, 2 and 3 for beginners to advanced, and you'll be able to learn the beautiful mousse cakes. You can also do this as a gift for somebody who loves cooking and baking. I think it's an awesome present. And of course, if you wanted to learn yourself. Each course has over 20 to 40 video lessons in there where I teach you all the skills, different cakes and unique designs. We also have a Facebook community group for all the bakers that join my course, and you will have my unlimited support throughout teaching and learning. I really hope to see you in my online cooking school, and if you have any more questions, then leave the comments down below. In a large deep pot, you want to add your cold water, and we're using about 2 liters. It's always best to make a lot of kompot because it goes really quickly. Then you want to add all your pears and chopped apples inside. Always leave a little bit of room so then you don't overfill your pot like I did. And I'm also adding some dried prunes. This is optional, but it adds so much flavor and it is so delicious, so I highly recommend you do this. Once your mixture starts to boil and kind of comes up to the boil, we're going to just mix it through and add sugar. And then you want to cook your kompot for about 30 minutes until your fruit has completely softened and it looks absolutely delicious. You will see that the color has changed as well and became kind of deep dark red color, or brown even, orange. Serve it in a nice serving cup and leave it to cool down completely. You can place this in a fridge up to 3 to 5 days and enjoy it with ice or enjoy it just on its own. It's really refreshing in the summer and kids absolutely love it. It's natural, it's delicious, and it's so healthy, guys. Much healthier than the juices you buy in the stores, trust me. And I also love that you get pieces of fruit which you can munch on while you're drinking your delicious drink. You can experiment with all the other fruit that you want. I've got a few other recipes on my website with kompot, and hopefully you're gonna make these. But this is very rich and very delicious peary taste. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out loads of my other videos and I'll see you next week.